My name is Ben Faircloth. I'm a partner at L.E.K Consulting based in London, and I'm head of our European region. In my client work, I cover a number of healthcare sectors, including the pharma contract services space. There are many challenges facing businesses today, but in pharma services, for the most part, challenges are actually opportunities. For example, the cost of talent is rising and there are people shortages everywhere. And this is particularly challenging in life sciences, as people in the sector tend to be highly qualified, often to doctorate level and beyond, and there is therefore a smaller pool of talent. Pharma service businesses with a compelling value proposition, those that offer access to the latest technology and equipment and clear career progression, as well as the softer but important factors such as flexible working, have the upper hand. Regionalization is another issue. There is a strong desire in the more economically developed markets to be more self-sufficient either nationally or regionally. This is driven by supply chain security and geopolitical concerns. And in the life science space, this means that some drug manufacturing that might traditionally have gone to places such as China is going to stay closer to home. When speaking about regionalization, there is also a good opportunity for European businesses to sell their services into the US market, where the strong dollar and generally higher labor costs put US firms at a competitive disadvantage to their European peers. Another topic is digitalization. Although highly innovative, pharma can also be a reactive sector. Events like the pandemic can push it forward. Because it is highly regulated, for safety reasons, the pharma industry is inherently conservative and has been slow to embrace digital transformation. But the more digital pharmacos are, the more they're able to leverage data in the discovery, development, and commercialization of innovative therapies. Adding digital capabilities, often including AI, is another way for pharma service businesses to differentiate their offer to their pharma customers. Lastly, the pharma service industry is now addressing significant innovations in new therapy classes. In addition to cell and gene therapies, both of which have been a long time in coming to market, the COVID pandemic has propelled the vaccine and RNA value chains forward. For pharma service businesses, the question is how best to invest to take advantage of these opportunities. In all of these topics, talent optimization, regionalization, digitalization, and innovation, we have excellent insight that give our clients a clear advantage. At L.E.K, we work across the pharma service, manufacturing, and technology value chains globally. As a joined-up organization, we are able to leverage our experience for our clients' benefit. In this market, the US is typically ahead of Europe, and our work there offers real insight to our European clients. This global coordination, coupled with our regional focus, puts us in a unique position to help our pharma service clients grow sustainably.